Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping by single product total for specific product titles in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the single product total condition. So first, we'll search for single product total in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, select Essential 2 combination, or Elite 1 combination to continue. Since we will use product titles under the single product total condition, and this is an Elite feature, we will select Elite 1 combination in this case. Now you'll see two product selection options. Any products. If you select any products, this rule will apply to all products in the cart. Selected products. If you select selected products, the rule will trigger only when products matching the selected conditions are in the cart. After selecting this option, you can filter products by product titles, variant titles, SKU, vendor, or collections. Now we select Selected Products. And here, we choose Product Titles and enter Product Titles, Wooden Spin. When the Wooden Spin product is in the cart, this rule will be applied. Less than, the rule will trigger when the single product total is lower than the entered amount. More than, the rule will trigger when the single product total is higher than the entered amount. For this example, we choose less than and set $200. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden when the Wooden Spin product is in the cart and its total is less than $200. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the cart contains more than $200 of the Wooden Spin. Now let's remove some items and make less than $200 in the cart and check again. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how to hide shipping by single product total for specific product titles. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!